Struggling with your thyroid? Want to know the best foods to eat? We're breaking down the top 5 foods to nourish your thyroid. Let's get started. Iodine-rich foods coming in at number 5. Iodine is absolutely crucial, it's a key building block for your thyroid hormones. However, and this is really important, while you need iodine, too much can actually be problematic, especially if you have an autoimmune condition like Hashimoto's. It's crucial to discuss your individual iodine needs with your doctor, who can assess your levels and guide you appropriately. So, where can you find iodine? Seaweed, think beyond your sushi roll. Nori, those thin sushi sheets. Kelp, often found dried or powdered, and wakame, delicious in miso soup and salads, are fantastic sources. Just remember, moderation is key here. Dairy products, milk, yogurt, and cheese do contain iodine, though the amount can vary based on the cow's diet. Opting for organic or grass-fed can be a good choice. Eggs, the yolk is where the iodine's at. Enjoy them however you like, scrambled, boiled, omelets, as part of a balanced meal. Selenium-rich foods stepping up to number 4. Selenium is vital, it helps convert the inactive T4 thyroid hormone into the active T3 and acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your thyroid. So, where can you find selenium? Brazil nuts, talk about a selenium powerhouse. Just 1 to 2 of these a day can often meet your needs. But remember, more isn't always better, so stick to a few. Fish, tuna, especially yellowfin, along with sardines and salmon, are great sources of selenium and pack in those beneficial omega-3s too. Seeds, sunflower and chia seeds offer selenium in smaller amounts and are super easy to sprinkle on snacks, salads, or your morning yogurt. Zinc-rich foods taking the 3rd spot. Zinc plays a crucial role in actually making those thyroid hormones and supports your overall immune system, super important, especially with autoimmune thyroid conditions. So, where can you find zinc? Meat, good old beef and lamb are excellent sources of zinc that your body can easily absorb. Shellfish, oysters are zinc champions, but crab and shrimp are also great contributors. Plant-based power, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, lentils, and cashews offer zinc, though your body might not absorb it as readily as from animal sources. Pairing these with foods high in vitamin C can help improve absorption. Foods rich in B vitamins cruising into number 2. These vitamins are key for energy production and keeping your metabolism humming, which can sometimes feel off with thyroid issues. So, where can you find B vitamins? Leafy greens. While leafy greens offer other important B vitamins, they are generally not significant sources of B12, which is primarily found in animal products. Animal heroes, meat, especially liver, fish like salmon and tuna, poultry, eggs, and dairy are your go-to for various B vitamins, including that all-important B12. Plant-based boost, if you're vegetarian or vegan, nutritional yeast and fortified plant-based milks can be excellent sources of B12. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, and finally, taking the top spot. These are your inflammation fighters and support overall cell health, including your precious thyroid gland. So, where can you find antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables? Berries, think vibrant and delicious. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants and those amazing anti-inflammatory compounds. Cruciferous crew, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale get a mention, but remember, in very large raw amounts, they can interfere with iodine uptake. However, for most people, enjoying these cooked vegetables as part of a balanced diet is beneficial and not a cause for concern regarding thyroid function. Rainbow veggies, load up on those colorful bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, crisp carrots, and sweet potatoes. They're bursting with vitamins, minerals, and those vital antioxidants. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the top 5 food categories to nourish your thyroid. Which of these thyroid-friendly foods are you most excited to incorporate? Let us know your favorites in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more evidence-based health insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.